Hi friends, now here again I'm there और ये शायद मेरा थर्ड आप लोगों के साथ बात हो रही है लाइव में थर्ड टाइम आ रही हूँ एंड नाउ आई हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट हु डजंट नीड एनी इंट्रोडक्शन स्वरूपा घोष so welcome ma'am and we have so many questions मेरे पास काफी questions आए हैं actors के and they are very happy that we have come here because I think technically जो है आपसे बेहतर कोई नहीं जानेगा बॉलीवुड को जितना आपने देखा है जितने करीब से देखा है बंगाली फिल्म्स हो गई हिंदी फिल्म्स हो गई and you have done international work also so you have like all kind of experience she has more than 40 years of experience in Bollywood so I just wanted to ask you like what happens like from theater to TV like because I always say मैं जब देखती हूँ कि मेरे पास NSDNs आते हैं FTIs आते हैं वो हमेशा एक चैलेंज फेस करते हैं कि उनके लिए ना कभी कभी चीज़ें बहुत लाउड हो जाती है जो कि हमको टीवी पे उतना लाउड नहीं तो आप what do you think that we can talk
about okay first and foremost thank you Tia for calling me here you're very special as you know
Thank
and
you so much.
I guess I really appreciate that because this is something I have tried to tell so many times people वो बेचारे एक तो कई बार होता है कि वो समझ नहीं पाते हैं कई बार वो इतने ओवरवेल्म फील करते हैं तो कई बार होता है कि छोड़ के ही चले जाते हैं ऐसा भी हुआ है But what I realize that this is something I have realized. It's not like I'm talking in the air. क्योंकि मैं जहाँ से आई हूँ मेरा थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस करीबन 40 साल की होगी Exactly. तो उसके साथ साथ मैं टेलीविजन भी करती थी जब पहली बार टेलीविजन आया all these series and stuff started happening in Delhi. I started around that time. So it was a challenge initially. And through the time, what I understood, and it is practical, I was very lucky that I could immediately understand difference क्या है. इसका दो reason है difference समझने का. One is I was trained with one of the best trainer of India, who's no more unfortunately last year वो चले गए हमें छोड़ के. उनका नाम है Ibrahim Al-Ghazi, the Doyen of Theatre. I was completely hand trained by him. And he was such a person who used to really help you to grow overall. और उनके लिए for an actor stage हो या कैमरा के सामने हो उसका कोई डिफरेंस उनके लिए नहीं था जहाँ तक एक्टर का सवाल है उनका कहना था कि आप एक्टर हो आपको रास्ते में भी फेंक देंगे तो आपको you should be able to act.
Exactly.
You should know the difference between stage, screen, on road, architectural places, wherever. So ये जो training उन्होंने दिया था, thanks to that, I was quickly grasped what is the basic difference. और ये difference unfortunately कई बार हमारे यहाँ सिखाया नहीं जाता है ये सबसे problem है कि stage से आप कैसे कैमरा के सामने आ रहे हो इसका जो एक proper understanding है ये कोई भी ड्रामा स्कूल में नहीं सिखाया जाता है. Unfortunately, there are some people who's come from, I'm not even going to name the drama school, but I would say that what happens is that वहाँ से वो जो सीख के आते हैं, that is basically a training for an actor, right? But उसके सिवा भी जब आप उस apply करने जा रहे हो, stage पे application क्या होगा और in front of camera application क्या होगा, इसकी जो difference है उनको नहीं समझाया जाता
exactly.
है. Technical difference क्या है? That when you come into, come in front of camera, how do you deal with it? So what I call it is the basic training of space dynamics. I name it space dynamics, and all my student has been made to understand that. And to be very honest, लोगों ने पहले कहा था कि online training वो काफी नहीं होता है, theatre live medium है. I do agree. But as an actor, आप जब I would say I'm very thankful to the pandemic in this way because ये online training जब आप करेंगे there are certain things you have to understand because you're performing within a frame.
Exactly.
So इसीलिए online training का भी एक लाभ है. There is a you do learn a few things when you're doing the online training. But of course, off offline is better because you're right there, you're physically aware, there is an environment. So पहली बात जो समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि there is a technical difference. आप ऑन स्टेज लाइव ऑडियंस के सामने जब कर रहे हो तब जो डिमांड्स होता है, तब जो चीज़ें ज़रूरत पड़ती है, कैमरा के सामने वो चीज़ें ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. कैमरा की डिमांड अलग है. तो इसीलिए ये जब तक इंसान समझ नहीं पाता है, however good an actor he or she is, he might fail. And I have gone through it. मैं कोई भी चीज़ जब करती हूँ, मैं I don't talk in air कि सुनी सुनाई बातों पर मैं कोई भी चीज़ सिखाती नहीं हूँ. एक secondly, what is very important here, I have understood, each and everything I train is based on my 40 years of practical experience.
Exactly, of course.
इसलिए what happens, lot of people say 1 साल की ट्रेनिंग, 22 साल की ट्रेनिंग, 20 साल की ट्रेनिंग, 20 years, 5 years, whatever. I'm joking, 22 साल 20 साल कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं देते हैं, but at least 3 साल की ट्रेनिंग जो generally होता है. You know, you can make it very, very comprehensive. वो ज़माना भी चला गया है कि जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं वो 3 साल गुजरते हैं या 5 साल देते हैं. आज के ज़माने में जब आप बॉम्बे में आए हो, सरवाइव करना इतना डिफिकल्ट है. वहाँ पे आप काम करोगे या सीखोगे. So generally what happens, people try and learn while they're working. So I also realize that in this case, what happens is if I can make something, a training thing which is comprehensive, intense, and gives them the pointers which is absolutely practically needed in front of camera, then it's done.
Yes,
and it
sure.
can be done. It is not an impossible feat. That way I'm very, very, you know, when I trained in British School, I was teaching theatre in British School in Delhi. I learned the proper way of training. That is also another thing. You know, कई बार देखा जाता है कि लोग ट्रेन करना चाहते हैं, पर कई बार उसको जो करेक्ट माध्यम है उसको पता नहीं होता है. So for me, it became a kind of a plus point is not only I'm an actor, okay, I am trained to train the actor.
You're a teacher.
Yeah, I also train it that way. And because my practical experience is there, I can immediately understand the theory and break it down and tell them that this. I also realize that practically these are the things you will have to face. Even at times in theory you know so many things, but जब करने जाओ अरे ये तो नहीं है. Theory is based on something which is ideal situation. वो ideal situation आपको नहीं मिलेगा. You understand? So how do I react to that? So the training takes a completely different level when you're actually working in front of camera. So that is why my training is completely based on those practical aspects. You know, it's not something just theory. I touch upon theory, I do talk about different systems. क्योंकि आजकल क्या हुआ है, जो 10 साल पहले हम पढ़ चुके हैं, जान चुके हैं, like Meissner, Eric Morris और Lee Strasberg और Stella Adler, हम लोग उसको घोल के पी चुके हैं. Okay? But one thing I have realized, you may know all the kind of theories, but जहाँ पर आप सामने जा रहे हो या स्टेज पे चढ़ रहे हो, तब आप क्या कर रहे हो, वो आप ही का ही perception है. I don't go up on stage thinking, Stanislavski ने ये बोला था, तो ये dialogue मैं उस तरीके से देके फिर my mind. It doesn't happen that way. It does not happen that way. Those theories are your sounding board. It is very important to know them. But you know, if you really take on one of those practitioners, आप ली स्ट्रासबर्ग बोलो, स्टानिस्लावस्की बोलो, वो practitioner के बारे में अगर आप पढ़ेंगे, आप उसको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, वो एक practitioners के पीछे, वो style के पीछे आपको 3-4 साल लगा देना पड़ेगा, जो possible नहीं है. वो जिस जमाने में हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था, तरीका ही अलग था, time was different, and we were aiming for something which was completely different. इसलिए वो चीज possible था. अभी I'll tell you something which I very rarely talk about. मुझे याद है कि मैं जब पहली दफा, you know, at our time Stanislavski was the everybody used to talk about. So when I started reading Stanislavski's books, मेरे को तो कुछ बदलने नहीं पड़ा. You know, it's not about the English language. I'm fluent in that. I said, बोल क्या रहा है बंदा? And then I realized when Mr. Alkazi said, you leave the book aside. First do it, and then go back to the book. So once I started doing it, nearly after 3 or 6 months, when I started reading it, then I could, connect. Yeah, so ये बंदा बोल क्या रहा है? And once you get to understand that, then you can understand what Lee Strasberg is saying, what Sten Adler is saying, what is Meissner's theory. So my point is that you can do on your own time. Any seeking mind, क्योंकि बहुत सारा किताबें हैं, वो पढ़ के फिर अपने आप को अप्लाई करना भी आप कर सकते हो, पर वो करने के लिए जो पहले एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए करने का, वो तो करो.
Exactly.
आपको पता नहीं है कि स्टेज पे खुल के या कहीं कैमरा के सामने खुल के रोना कैसे है, अब उसको कैसे आप इमोशनल मेमोरी में जाओगे, क्या करोगे, वो कैसे समझोगे. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज do it and then go back, then think about it. So there are loads of way to understand this. So what I do is कि भूल जाओ. लोग बहुत से नाम बोलेंगे. आजकल क्या होता है कि यंगस्टर्स आते हैं and they get pressurized कि अच्छा इसको कितना जानकारी है. नाम जानने में आजकल कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गूगल खोलो तो सारा नाम जान जाएगा. और शॉर्ट में आपको पता भी चल जाएगा. सो वो लोग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट एवरीबॉडी डज दैट, बट द पॉइंट इज वो नाम सुन के दे गेट सो प्रेशराइज्ड इन द प्रोसेस. वो क्या करते हैं, हमें तो कुछ भी पता नहीं है. अच्छा मैम ये ली स्ट्रासबर्ग क्या कहते थे, मैम ये स्टेला एडलर के, मैंने कहा वहां तक पहुंचने से पहले खुद को तो तैयार करो पहले समझने के लिए. सो इसीलिए माय ट्रेनिंग इज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन दैट कि, एंड वन थिंग आई फील वेरी प्राउड ऑफ टिया, बहुत कम चीजों में मैं अपने आप को पैट करती हूँ. Okay, the point is when I learned it from Al-Qazi, what he said, it's something very important. He said that everybody, even a normal person, can achieve 50% of acting. Yeah. Anybody can reach the 50% as an actor. If he or she works a little more, he will achieve 75%. Push karke. Rest of the 25% is depending on that person, how much he's ready to grow.
So true.
It's like running the marathon. वो last 25% decide करता है, but that 25% is also has to be, there is a luck which is playing. आपके पास कैसे opportunities आ रहे हैं, and I have seen him making actor out of people who knew nothing. I mean, look at me, I knew nothing. If today I can work, if today can people come and say that we loved your work, I come from that. I have no illusions about myself. इस शक्ल में तो और भी नहीं है भैया, कौन देगा. But I literally saw him doing that, which made me understand that I have another possibility. I'm not saying I'm an actor, but I would love to give this to other people and would love to train somebody who knows nothing. Because जिसके पास training है, उसको 100% ले जाना is not a big deal. जिसको 35% मैथ्स में, जिसको 75% मिलता है, उसके लिए 100 स्कोर करना in maths is not a big deal. But जिसको 25% मिलता है, वो अगर 45% लेके आए मैथ्स में, it's a big deal.
Yeah.
So for me, that is the challenge. I love beginners. I love raw people जिसके पास कोई training ना हो. And I can guarantee कि उसको shape करके खड़ा तो कर दूंगी कि जहाँ पे जाके
उसका learning जो रहेगा वो पूरा 100% रहेगा. उसको unlearn करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
Exactly. Learn. And then again with your experience, you come to a point when you start unlearning. That is their journey. वो journey मैं तय नहीं कर सकती हूँ. पर मेरे तरफ से जिसके पास कुछ नहीं है, उसको काट के वो shape बना देना. Yes, I can do that. And I love to do that. That's very, very challenging. I'm having coffee.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. So I think this session is really. So Sapna, do we have any questions for ma'am?
Yeah, we do have.
Yeah.
So one question is from Snehal, and she's asking, question is for ma'am, what is more important, training or talent?
Oh.
This is a very, very tricky question. I would say both are important. सिर्फ टैलेंट लेके आप सरवाइव नहीं कर सकते हैं. टैलेंट को किस तरीके से आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे, टैलेंट को किस तरीके से आप हर्न करेंगे, किस तरीके से आप उसको नर्चर करेंगे, बेहतर करेंगे, ओनली देन यू विल बी एन आर्टिस्ट. सिर्फ टैलेंट लेके नहीं होता.
It's like a diamond.
Yeah,
diamond की cut करते हैं. And,
Absolutely
the-
wonderful
yeah.
metaphor, beautiful. Yes, it
Yeah.
is true. Training, I think, is
Training is
very
important.
very important. And in today's world, when everything moves in a fast
Yeah.
pace, because you know एक जमाना था कि फिल्म चलते थे, शूटिंग चलता था 3 साल
3
लेके.
साल तक.
अच्छा, दूसरी बात ये होता था कि उसमें फुटेज जाता था. I think all these things have brought it down today's world where you know people have very limited resources, you know,
Yeah.
and in that they want trained actor because they will quickly do the job. पहले 15 आप शॉट देते थे, आजकल obviously you know they want you to wrap it up as fast as possible because it's an expensive
हम
profession.
एक दिन में 3 फिल्म्स करते हैं, 4 फिल्म्स करते हैं. अगर आप एक प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग, जब आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा आपको कैमरे के सामने कैसे आना है, क्या आपके अंदर लैकिंग होती है, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक, या यू कैन टेक अ वर्कशॉप. It's not that you have to go to a film school. You can take a workshop where you know you can learn like how in front of the camera how you have to come, what is a script, how we can script के ऊपर हम कितने different चीजें कर सकते हैं, हम कितने characters को हम कितने एक script को हम 5 तरीके से कर सकते हैं.
The variation of
Variations हम कर सकते हैं, plotting कर सकते हैं. So it is important. Of course, मैं जब यहाँ पे बैठती हूँ.
Sorry, I just want to add one another thing. You're very true, right? That they can do the workshop, but they also have to be very clear about या कि किस workshop में जा रहा है,
Exactly.
वहाँ क्या सिखा रहा है.
क्या सिखाया जा रहा है.
Yeah,
Of
because
course.
it is very important. I have seen so many people come to me
Yeah.
with wrong understanding, and the wrong understanding is also because they have been fed in too many information.
Exactly.
आपको जानना होगा कि मेरे पास अगर 15 चीज है उसमें से मुझे क्या जरूरत है, वो जानना बहुत
Exactly.
जरूरी है.
आपको
वो नहीं
पहले तो
होता.
आपको ये समझना है कि आपको करना क्या है अपनी जिंदगी में. जब आप अपने आप को देखते हो तो आपको क्या लगता है, जैसे मैम ने कहा है कि एक इंसान जो एकदम कॉमन है, 75% तक उसकी एबिलिटी होती है कि वो एक एक्टर बन सके. So there is nothing like I can't be a good actor or she can't be a good actor. It's all mehnat, I think, and
It's
a good
hard
training.
work. There is no
Of course,
substitute of hard
yeah,
work.
and
Hard work,
always
training
hard
will.
work and
Training.
how you learn things and write things will always pay you. I always believe this ki what, my hard work and the proper training that I got, that is always, life has always given me good things.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I have not, my focus was clear that I want to do this in my life. I was clear with, this is what I want. This
Yeah,
is what my
very
passion
important.
is. Casting is my passion. I enjoy. I cherish. I can do anything.
And
but
that's
I can,
why you have grown so much, dear. Because if you're no, I mean it.
Yeah.
I mean it's not about. You could have said कि नहीं मुझे भी star बनना है. I really appreciate that you looked at it and said कि नहीं ये मुझे करना है.
ये मुझे करना
And
है.
this is and you give, that is why you give so many scopes to youngsters or old women like me. But that's not the thing. I think what you've hit the nail on the head. Ki one has to also reflect upon oneself. ये बहुत जरूरी है कि खुद के बारे में हम सभी एक इमेज बना के रखते हैं. But to take a hard look at yourself and to be honest and say that ये मुझे आता नहीं है, ये मुझे जानना चाहिए. हाँ, there are loads of people, loads of youngsters who come. Shakal Surat said they are very beautiful and they come and they say that, oh, I look good, I like this, I like that. But when they go to do something, they have no idea what they're doing.
What they're doing, yes.
So
I
the
have-
point
I'm
is, that's
facing this every
only
day.
part of it. That's only part of it. It's a very, and particularly the way the scenario in Bollywood is changing, it's no more about your looks. It is about whether you can do it. Of course, looks matter, depending on what kind of role you're approaching.
Yeah.
But they are looking out for actors who can be brilliant.
Yeah.
So if you're not trained, however good looking you are, it will ultimately in the long run won't take you too far. You have to know what you're doing, what your aim is, and also your scopes will become very limited. That's what I feel. That it becomes very limited. आपको कुछ ही चीजों के लिए चुना जाएगा, उसके आगे नहीं चुना जाएगा. अभी वो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because you're all young. You'll feel, oh great, people are recognizing me. I'm getting paid. I get all the attention. But after a point, you yourself will start feeling tired of that because you will be objectified so much for that. क्योंकि आपको खुद को लगेगा मैं कोई इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ.
So actors को हमेशा change होते रहना चाहिए.
It's very
They have
important to
you know,
evolve.
you can experiment with your looks.
You have
your
to
acting,
evolve,
Yeah.
evolve.
It's like a butterfly. Well,
Yeah.
That's what I feel. That you need to adopt everything. ऐसा नहीं होता कि अगर आपने ये कर लिया, आपके 1 मिनट का आपको रोल मिला है, 1 मिनट में आप ऐसा दिखा दो ना कि पूरी फिल्म में बस आपके 1 मिनट के लिए इंसान जाए.
This is very important. You know,
Yeah.
there's so many times लोग I've seen youngsters saying, "Oh, कुछ नहीं है मैम, you know, just one role, कोई dialogue भी नहीं है." What they fail to understand,
Yeah.
your best emotive quality comes out when you don't have a line. You have a
That's
line,
right.
you can easily
Yeah.
do it. But when there's no line, how you express that makes you what you are. And I think initially people should be doing each and everything. I can talk about 2 very important actors. नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगी because I don't know. It's not fair to talk about somebody
Exactly. Without their permission.
permission. But I know 2 actors, famous national award winning actors who came to Bombay, and in their initial days they used to perform in bus में perform करते थे. लोगों को लेके जब घुमाने जाते हैं ना, सुना है मैंने कि उनसे नहीं सुना है, कितना सच्चाई है मुझे नहीं पता है, पर ये सबको पता है ये करते थे. I have seen that in London. I've traveled all over the world performing on greater stage. I'm very grateful to God, universe that I had that scope. I remember on Sundays at the Thames riverbank, you know,
Yeah.
you had all these youngsters, old people. They had this limited area where they would put up their stuff. They're either acting, they're either singing, because that's their
They
earning.
perform.
Believe me, हम इतना मैं सुनती रहती हूँ, लोग कहते हैं कि हम तो struggler हैं मैम. I have an objection when people say that. Struggler क्या है? Struggle
You
क्या
are
है?
struggling.
My point is, this is something you have chosen. You want to be. That's your passion. When you're working for your passion, why do you call it struggling? It's learning. It's every day is learning. You should be enjoying that. Yes, आप जरूर मुझे बोल सकते हो मैम आपके लिए बोलना आसान है क्योंकि आप घर में बैठे हुए हो खाने के लिए. अब मेरे को खाने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है ये तो मैं आप लोगों को नहीं बताऊंगी, पर उस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए सभी कर रहे हैं.
सब स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, सब लर्न कर रहे हैं.
मैं तो कहूंगी कि आप रास्ते में जाके देखो जो लोग कचरा उठाते हैं उससे क्या हमारी स्ट्रगल ज्यादा है. वी आर डूइंग समथिंग which we love. So please don't call yourself struggler. You're working for it. You're an actor. You're learning every phase. And believe me, this is also part of a learning. कि जाके आप इधर जाओगे, उधर जाओगे, जाके रोल मांगोगे. These are also the back end training. Unfortunately, कहीं पे नहीं दिया जाता है. That is another problem. No schools over here give you the business side of it. That okay, we have trained you as an actor. Now, what are the other things you need to do? You know, I was having this conversation today from one of the artist friend of my husband that, you know, they are not taught, they're taught commercial art, right?
Okay.
Now the commercial art is different from fine arts. I said, unfortunately, your colleges, what they have done is professional, fine arts and commercial art, meaning what kind of designs you're going to create. But it is not just that. How to approach, how to market it, how to, understand how much should the budget be. All these things, these are not trained in any of the schools of ours here.
So as I said,
Acting maybe.
yeah.
Whereas you go to, you go to London, you go to any school in New York, they actually have classes for that, for the actors, to understand the marketing side of it, to understand why you need an agent. These things are not talked about over here. Everything क्या चाहिए इसको मिलो उसको मिलो हो जाएगा. अब वो मिलना भी आपका एक स्ट्रगल है, वो मिलना भी पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्टर है. It's very important to understand that. Audition reject हो जाओ. I have heard Meryl Streep had given 54 auditions before she actually bagged a
And
role.
she still gives. I
And
don't know.
she
अभी मेरे को ना मेरे साथ बहुत ऐसा हो रहा है कि I don't want to tell again names. I don't want. But I call actors or my people call, like my team calls them and they say, you know what, I don't give auditions because I have like 3 years of experience. I have done this and I've done that. Come on, people. It's like you should, whenever you get a script, you see like what you can do, because I think every minute we
It
learn.
changes, yeah.
It changes.
Changes.
और आपको तो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते रहना चाहिए, you know, और जब एड्स के स्क्रिप्ट्स आते हैं, when I really, I mean, just I've seen you get so excited, and you get excited. You ask me, okay, Tia, this is I'm going to look, this is going to be my frame, this is going to be my plotting, this is going, and she gives me a lot of variations. So I think after, like, she has so many experience when she gives the auditions. I don't know why people have just 5-6 years of experience and they say, you know what, I don't give auditions.
I think audition is a
You love your
place
work?
where you
Yeah.
really get to know what you can do.
Yeah.
You also understand where you're going wrong. You know, that is another thing I tell my students or who come to learn to me, is that I don't want to see how good you are in this. I want to see where you are bad. I want to see where you're going wrong. Because that is what I need to know. Because until and unless I know where you're going wrong, I cannot correct it. It's very important to understand. मैंने कहा गलतियां करो, कर तो लोगे ही, अच्छा करते हो या करना चाहते हो इसीलिए आए हो, पर गलतियां कहाँ कर रहे हो वो देखना जरूरी है, तभी मैं उसको सुधार सकूं. सिंपल सी बात है. You are good in history, you're good in English, you're good in Bengali or whatever other things you do. Will you go for a tuition? No. You will take a tuition where you are weak in your subject. So that is why it is very important to do something wrong. There is nothing wrong in doing something wrong. It's very important.
So
You
guys,
can-
next time whenever we call you, don't think that you have a great experience. That's why we call you also, when we need the experienced people. So it's not an insult when we ask you for the audition. It's
Not
just
at all.
that, yeah,
It's an
opportunity.
opportunity.
They feel offended. They feel like they feel insulted.
Which is-
Because you know we are asking them,
Which
let
frankly
me be,
speaking is very
right,
foolish. It's
yeah,
very
yeah,
foolish
Yeah,
to
so
do that.
don't think that way.
I mean,
think,
look at Hollywood. Even the stars, they are like
give
ready.
auditions.
They give
Yeah,
audition.
they
They
give
change their
auditions.
looks. They work for audition.
Yeah.
You know. Not only that, it's also remember. Don't shy away from taking a day or two. The moment आया आपको लगता है अरे निकल जाएगा काम नहीं मिलेगा हड़बड़ी से कर. Never do that. I call up, I tell them, can you give me a day? I really want to give my best. You must always try and give your 100%. जल्दबाजी में करने से काम नहीं मिलता. काम तभी मिलेगा अगर आप काम अच्छा करो. An actor, because when a person
because
gets
that,
selected
yeah.
for an ad or for film, there are other aspects to it.
Exactly.
You know, one has to understand that. So there is nothing to feel bad about. I know that as a human mind you do feel bad कि अरे
मेरा नहीं
रोल
हुआ.
मेरे
मैं
मेरा
शॉर्टलिस्ट
नहीं
हुआ.
हुआ. हाँ, पर मेरा
मैं एंड तक गया और
हाँ.
मेरा नहीं हुआ.
और
Guys,
इसको लेके कास्टिंग एजेंट पर गुस्सा करना भी बहुत ही
बहुत ज्यादा,
स्टूपिडिटी है मैं कहूंगी,
Yeah.
क्योंकि कास्टिंग एजेंट चाहते हैं कि आप काम करो, इसीलिए वो आपको ऑडिशन पे बुलाते हैं. और एक बार आपने ऑडिशन दे दिया तो आपका ऑडिशन रह जाएगा, वही बाद में किसी और को सजेस्ट करेंगे कि you know, please take it. I still don't know, Tia. I think it's due to you because you are the first person I've worked with in terms of ad and everything. You are the one who connected with me in, from Bombay.
Yeah.
And through her, I think I got into the casting network much more because obviously इनके पास कोई आएंगे तो वो कहेंगे कि मैम को देखो.
Because your first ad that we did was award winning. So it was a
So
Veddas Chaudhary's ad and it was award winning. Where you know what, you just आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि आपके एड्स हम लोग एड्स देख करके निकालते हैं. वी सी द पीपल एंड हम लोग जितना विन लाइक ऑडिशंस जितना आप मेरे पास आएगा
उतना ही
उतना
बेहतर
चांस है आपका.
एग्जैक्टली.
You know,
क्योंकि अब
we
डिफरेंट
have the
काइंड ऑफ
audition
ऑडिशन
dates, yeah.
वेरिएशन भी आपको दिखाई देता है कि एक ही काइंड ऑफ ऑडिशन तो आपके पास नहीं आ रहा है,
Exactly.
डिफरेंट काइंड. सो पीपल आल्सो गेट टू जज. ऑल्सो आज आपने दिया, 6 महीने बाद अगर आप दूसरा दे रहे हो, आपकी भी एक डेवलपमेंट हुआ है. सो दे कैन ऑल्सो सी दैट ओ माई गॉड दिस पर्सन हैज रियली वर्कड
There are
हार्ड.
so many
And
people who have really changed a
Yeah, I
lot
know,
and
it is
they have
bound to
changed
be.
the look.
Yeah, yeah.
I will say one of my own people have. I told her that there is something that you need to change. She only figure out in this pandemic. She has chopped her hair, like छोटा सा कर दिया उसने, and she looks so different. And
Yeah.
now she gets so many
Work.
She's working, and everyone that whenever she वो जब भी auditions के लिए जाती है, and then they feel that she's so perfect.
I know.
She looks so
That's
rich. Because उसको पता चल गया था क्योंकि
हाँ.
वो देख रही थी अपने आप को, and उसको कहीं ना कहीं ये पता चला कि what अगर मैंने short hair कर लिया
तो ये बेहतर है.
ये मेरे लिए बेहतर होगा. तो ये गाइस अपने आप को जब आप अपने आप को टाइम देते हो, जो एक मी टाइम होता है ना, उसमें आप खुद रियलाइज करते हो कि व्हाट this is what I want. Let's do this way.
Yeah.
क्या होगा?
क्या फर्क
3-4
पड़ता
महीने
है?
में बाल
Yeah.
लंबे हो जाएंगे, या हम लोग डिफरेंट लुक करना, it's very important.
See,
for
as
everyone.
an actor, when you're growing, you think in terms of, as Tia said, that variation for a role. Variation. एक जैसा रोल नहीं, जैसे डायलेक्ट के लिए या कहीं आप रोल कर रहे हो जहाँ पे शायद आप एक स्लम में रहने वाले हो, उसका कर रहे हो, फिर आप you're working on somewhere, you probably a वकील or whatever, a rich advocate, whatever. तो उसके लिए सिर्फ आपकी एक्टिंग की तरीका जानना जितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, कैमरा के सामने जब आप जा रहे हो आपकी लुक को भी बदलना उतना जरूरी है. On stage it really doesn't matter. On stage there are other things which are done and किया जा सकता है, because there's a basic distance from the audience and yourself. But camera, you can't hide anything. So the more natural it looks, the better it is. Like my hair is grey now because I can't color it till end of April because I'm preparing for this role for Shankar, whatever. So मुझे कहा गया है कि मैम कलर मत करो.
कलर नहीं करो.
So it's okay, fine. वो हो जाएगा, फिर कलर कर लेंगे. Big deal, But it is, when I saw it, when I did it, I realized that no, this is going to help. This is going to help. I mean, if you take my two films, Vicky Donor and Piku, they're like diametrically opposite. I was so dressed up in Piku, proper, typical, and then I'm put in a nightie. I mean, right through the film, I've been in a nightie, and lot of people might get horrified.
Yes. अगर इन्होंने ये कहा होता कि नहीं मुझे क्यों नाइटी पहनना है, मैं नहीं पहनूंगी, मेरे looks पे जाएगा.
I remember the costume designer. She got 2 or 3 sarees for me, and उन्होंने जाके बोला कि मैम एक बार पूछ लो डायरेक्टर से. So when I took it, Shrujit was so nice. उसका मैम आपको क्या लगता है? She's very smart. I said, put me in a nightie. I would prefer that.
Yeah, because
Now I could have easily said that sarees, but I did not because I myself wanted to have. See, at my age, the roles which come are also very defined. So as an actor, I have to find the difference in these two roles. So it's my job to say that, look, give me a nightie. Doesn't matter. So you have to search for that. And I'm telling you one thing, looks will go away, looks will go away, but your talent will not go away, your training will not go away. So train yourself, because when you have, this is what I faced in my life. I was not a good looking person, I was very attractive, but I wasn't good looking. I had a super figure. There was a time when people would come and say you should go for modeling. हमारे ज़माने में लगता था कि क्या ये modeling अपने आप को बहुत feminist थी, चक्कर ही नहीं है, क्या करना है. But what happened was, I remember that I went and rejected होती थी. एक तो आवाज जैसे मेल के जैसा था, and then मुंह फट थी. I used to be very strong. Nobody likes that. And all the women on stage of Bengal used to be very petite, beautiful, big eyes, and आवाज जो होती थी वो मधुर होती थी, एकदम कोयल की तरह. मैंने कहा मेरे कोई chance नहीं है. Then I met this director. Her name was Phyllis Bose. She was basically from Scotland, like in London, and Irish people. And then she was married to a monk. She called me to choreograph a play for her. So I went there, then we were talking about acting, and she looked at me and she said, Swarupa, your face has something which is, they don't understand, that's why they're not treasuring it. You have a face which could be put on stage as an 18-year-old and as an 80-year-old.
Wow.
And she said, work on your skills. Nobody can take that away. And I literally went back home, looked myself at the mirror, and I said that, okay, what do I have which these women don't have? I said, I have a height. My height is like 5'6", so in Bengal it's not
It's
not a very regular thing, and because I was very thin, I used to look taller. Secondly, I had eyes, which eyes were the most it's very intense eyes. They used to say that
You have.
Okay, and then my bone structure was such that when the light comes on stage, it looks very beautiful because the light plays, and stage lights are very different. So that was there. Third, I was completely uninhibited. I came out of a time and I studied in a university where we were really rebels. I would not shy out from doing anything. So that was kind of a big thing at that point, that she would do anything, no inhibition, which people won't even think about. I will say, हाँ कर देंगे क्या है type. So and I had a voice which would reach the last. I never used to take mic की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. मतलब even the last time when I went to work in Korea, the stage in Korea is like a football ground. Okay, I was traveling with this company and they could make it compressed or widen it. So everybody needed mic. So the sound engineer, Kapi Singh, he said that Sarupa ko chhod dete last mein, agar zarurat pade. So it has happened to me so much because they said that uska to theek hai level, uska baki ka level dekh lo. So I realized my plus points. I was not proud of it. I'm not arrogant about it, but this is a logical thing I had to do as an actor. What are my plus points? What can I bring which others can't?
Everyone has a plus.
Everyone has.
Is beautiful.
Everyone is unique.
Unique.
Everybody is unique. So
you need to realize this.
Yeah, and you don't have to be like anybody else.
Yeah.
You
need to be different.
And believe me, nobody knows it better than me. In this space, which will never, win anything. But I'm very proud of what I am.
And of course,
I can do it.
The talent. No one can take and no one can measure your talents. Okay, you are
It's
much
a
talented
training. But as I said, Tia, if you get trained,
proper
sometimes
training is
I'll tell you, sometimes you don't even know you have the talent. I'll tell you a story because I was growing up to be a dancer. I joined my dance school even before my study school. Okay, I was learning classical dancing, Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Manipuri. So I was thinking I'll become a dancer. Choti thi tab. And then came a point when then I learned Kathak for 5 years. Okay, now I had a spinal injury for which I had to stop. And I wanted to be an actor, but at that time there was so much of a stigma, related to that I was like, bolu, na bolu, ghar mein raji honge, nahi honge. Anyway, so stop that. What happened was I knew nothing, right? And I didn't even know that whether I had a talent. But when I joined, and I realized that these are the things I have, and the director told me कि तुम्हारी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है, ये आवाज़ थिएटर के लिए बहुत important है. हालांकि right through in my school, I have been always reprimanded for my voice, क्योंकि पीछे बैठ के शरारत करती थी ना, फुसफुसा के भी बात करती थी तो everybody could hear. तो मुझे एक टीचर ने बोला था कि तुम ना whisper मत करो, वो भयंकर लगता है horror film की आवाज़ें हैं. So I have had friends who come and told me, Sun, I have to take you, there's something very important. There was this fantastic guitarist, Shoma Das Gupta. He used to say, कि I have something very important to tell you. So I said, what is it? He said that मेरा जो model है वो science fair में जा रहा है. I need you. I said, मैं science में कुछ नहीं पता. बोले नहीं mic की ज़रूरत है. तू चल ना. ऐसे दोस्त थे. I studied in a co-ed school at that point of time. So what happened was that, but once I started learning the hard work, and everything has brought me here today. And I was seeking. I was like, जब तक ये नहीं होगा करती जाऊँगी. ज़िद्दी थी बहुत ज़िद्दी थी. And I was not doing it for anybody else. Let me tell you, I was doing it for myself. कि मैं कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं. It was about self-discovery. So ये मत सोचो कि talent नहीं है, ये नहीं है. सुने सुनाए बातों में मत जाओ. खुद को पूछो, क्या मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ या करना चाहती हूँ. अगर वो करना चाहते हो, अगर वो करना चाहती हो, तो उस पे तुम काम करो. अगर काम करोगे sincerely, honestly, train करोगे, there is no way you will not see. success.
don't,
You will
yeah.
be able to reach somewhere. ठीक है, I don't know where you want to reach. That is your own dream. और वहाँ पे हर वक्त luck साथ नहीं देता है. ये भी सही है. There is an amount of luck. But if you are working hard, it will definitely take you somewhere. And there will be other openings also. And today it's much more,
Yeah, much
frankly
more.
speaking. I
There are
mean,
many.
yeah. So that's the way it is.
And this is your passion. So जब passion होता है, अगर आपको acting आप profession मत रखो. मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि वो passion होना चाहिए आपका. जो अगर आप उसके लिए struggle, आपको रात भर जगना भी पड़ता है या over shift करते हो, तो इसके लिए ना आप रो मत. इसके लिए आप ये देखो कि you know what, end of the day जिस चीज के लिए आप यहाँ पे हो, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ.
और ये
मैं वो
लोगों
कर
का
रही
जो
हूँ.
सोच है ना टीगा कि ये लोग स्टार है, उनको लगता है कि बहुत आसानी से मिल गया है.
Exactly.
It is not.
नहीं, कभी-कभी किसी को बहुत आसानी से मिल जाता है.
मिल जाता है, पर
और
उसको रिटेन भी करना होता है ना.
वैल्यू नहीं आ पाता है कि हाँ ये जो मुझे जल्दी से मिला ये मेरे से चला भी जाएगा.
Exactly. Not only
Exactly.
that,
It's
another
very-
thing is that
Yeah.
जिनको वो वैल्यू मिला भी है, ऐसे नहीं मिला है. उनको स्टारशिप मिलने के बाद to retain that, it's very easy to
It's-
get A
yeah.
plus, but to retain that A
Retain
plus,
that is-
you have to work like crazy,
Exactly.
and they do work. आपको हमें उनका ग्लैमर दिखता है, हमें उनका तौर तरीका दिखता है. That is also a problem, you know.
जिनको मैंने पहला काम दिया है और आज वो मुझे एटीट्यूड दिखाते हैं. आज वो मुझे बोलते हैं you know मैम.
That is
Sorry.
very
That's very
that's
sorry, sorry, I
pitiful.
can't
That's
do
very
this.
pitiful.
So that's something actually you know what that pinch कि मेरा जो मैंने जो इतनी मेहनत की उसके लिए और उसके बाद वो लोग मुझे एटीट्यूड दिखाते हैं you know what we are doing extra shift, how can they do it. I said we will talk, don't worry, but you know you should happy for that.
Not only that, another thing very important you must remember, I'll tell you. You know, I never forgot what my mom once said, and I'm very grateful to my parents. They were very different kind of parents. जो आज के ज़माने में और मेरे दोस्त लोग भी जो आते थे उसके कहते थे हमारे पेरेंट्स ऐसे क्यों नहीं है. You know, they were very very different kind of parents. So उन्होंने I remember एक बार मैं मम्मी के कमरे से कुछ उठाया था, ओके, बगैर बोल के. तो उनको पता चल गया, माँ को सब समय पता चल. तो उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया, तुमने लिया है, anyway निकल आया. उसने she never scolded me. She told me a story. She said, you know बेटा, there was this famous Michelangelo जो फ्रेस्को वगैरह के लूवर वगैरह में जो आपको दिखता है. तो he was growing blind gradually. तो वो बहुत महान कलाकार थे पेंटर में. तो वो जब ये सिस्टन चैपल बन रहा था, वहाँ रात भर जाग के, उन जमाने में तो कुछ नहीं था इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और एनीथिंग, तो ऐसे मोमबत्ती जलाकर, वो दिया जलाकर एक कोने में सिस्टन चैपल की फ्रेस्को तैयार कर रहे थे. तो चौकीदार जो था और वो ब्लाइंड हो रहे थे धीरे धीरे, तो उनके पास जाके पूछा कि ये आप क्यों कर रहे हो, इतना मतलब शिद्दत से क्यों कर रहे हो, इधर कौन देखेगा. His answer was, God will see. और वही सिस्टन चैपल देखने को लोग जाते हैं आज. मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए, मैं गई थी. See, the point is, whatever you do is being watched. And another very important thing I was told by my guru, my mentor, Mr. Ibrahim Al-Kasi, when I remember we were having a show, NSD Repertory का, I think it was the last show of House of Banadal, बंदिन के अंधेरे. तो पीछे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा, सरूपा, what do you want to be? You want to be a star, you want to be an actor, or you want to be an artist? So I told him I want to be an artist. And his answer was, be a good human being. अगर किसी ने आपको एक दिन रास्ते में कुछ गिरा है, चवन्नी भी आपकी उठा के आपको दे गए हैं, हो सकता है जिंदगी में आप कभी नहीं मिलेंगे उससे. बी ग्रेटफुल, क्योंकि आज जो आपके हाथ में है, कल वो चला जाएगा. आपको लगता है कि आपने यहाँ अचीव कर लिया, आपने नहीं किया. आपकी हार्ड वर्क है, पर वो आपके हाथ में आया किसी और इंसान के लिए. इंसान है, भगवान है, जो भी कहो. It's very important never to forget where you have come from, what your values are. आप जितने बड़े एक्टर्स से बात करेंगे, मैं कुछ ही दिन पहले मनोज बाजपेयी की बातें सुन रही थी. He never forgot with whom he spent days and night when they were struggling as an actor. खाना नहीं मिलता था. It's very important to remember those days. क्योंकि तभी आपके पैर ज़मीन पे टिके रहेंगे, आप तभी आप उतना ही काम करते जाएंगे. क्योंकि ये चीज़ जो है ना, ये आता है जाता है. If you don't, it's very important to remember who helped you. Because जब गिरेंगे ना, वही पकड़ेंगे. चढ़ने के वक्त
जिसके
हम
साथ आप
भूल
ऊपर
जाते
जाते
हैं.
हो, हाँ,
हाँ, आप
उसे
भूल जाते हो कि
ऐसे
कौन
लगेगा।
सीढ़ी पकड़ के खड़ा है. और अगर वो भूल जाते हो तो जब आप गिरेंगे, नीचे कोई पकड़ने के लिए नहीं रहेगा. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
I always-
नेवर
yeah.
एवर फॉरगेट टू बी ग्रेटफुल. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
एक और मैं खुद बताना चाहती हूँ, मैंने कभी किसी को असिस्ट नहीं किया है कास्टिंग में. आई बिकेम अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बिकॉज एज आई सेड दैट वाज माय पैशन एंड आई लव कास्टिंग. अगर मुझे रात में 2 बजे भी कास्टिंग करवाए तो आई वुड लव टू डू इट. मुझे कभी नहीं लगता है कि मैं ओवर शिफ्ट करती हूँ, मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मैं ज़्यादा काम करती हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे और काम करना है एंड आई एम लर्निंग एंड आई ट्रस्ट मी, आई लव दिस.
Yeah, I
लेकिन
understand
जो
that.
मेरा पहला जिसने मुझे ब्रेक दिया इस कास्टिंग में, जिन्होंने मुझ पे विश्वास किया है, नारायण श्री जो डायरेक्टर हैं, उन्होंने मुझ पे बहुत बड़ा एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट भी था. वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था वो प्रोजेक्ट, मतलब एक न्यू कमर के लिए कास्टिंग में. लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे बस छोड़ दिया. उन्होंने बोला करना है तुम्हें. एंड उस दिन का दिन है, आई कांट फॉरगेट दैट मैन बिकॉज दैट मैन मेड मी.
Yeah.
Of course God, my father, and that man made me actually, and I can't forget. अभी भी अगर
These
उनका
are the
एक phone आता है ना,
angels. These are the angels
Yeah,
of your
they are,
life.
of course.
They are the angels.
I always call him that. He's my guardian angel. And I always say this कि अभी भी अगर उनका एक फोन आता है ना, जो मजा उनके साथ काम करने में है और
वो नहीं।
किसी के साथ नहीं. I'm working with. I am so grateful to God that whoever I'm working with, directors, I'm very lucky. I'm so happy that I'm working with them. But एक जो पहला जो start था मेरा,
नहीं,
वो
it
मैं
makes a
कभी
lot
नहीं
of
भूल
difference.
सकती. वो
जैसे I never
yeah, if
forgot the
yeah.
person who first told me, जिसके
Yeah.
पास मैंने थिएटर की ट्रेनिंग ली थी. और पहले दिन जब मैं उनके वहाँ गई थी मेरे फादर के साथ, because he was in the group also, so उन्होंने एक ही बात कही जब उन्होंने कहा कि गाना सुनाओ. मतलब जो गाना कितना याद है सुन, because it was a running show, okay? So I sang. The first thing he said that अगर आवाज सुन के कि अगर इसको नहीं होगा तो किसको होगा?
Wow.
Theater, you know. And I will never forget them because each and everybody I remember somehow they have contributed to my life to be who I am. So ये कभी मत भूलना. और ये जो attitude वगैरह लोग
Attitude
लेते
is
हैं
right.
ना,
Attitude is very important in this.
right attitude is gratitude. Remember that. Right attitude is gratitude, nothing else. Be grateful. As I'm very grateful. They're much more younger to me, this lot, but I love it. And I have no qualms about telling people that, I learned so much from her. Or there's so many other people who are much younger to
I
me.
learn from everyone, ma'am.
Yeah,
I learn from
everybody.
my assistants. I learn from them. And ma'am, I have no
There's
shame
nothing-
of saying
yeah,
this.
no.
I learn from them. They are
And-
so intelligent. I said that you guys will grow, man. I mean to say, I've seen you like they work, they teach me every day. Every person who is there. in
सीखने
my
के
field.
लिए भी वही एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
जब आप ट्रेनिंग के लिए आते हो, अगर आप वो सोच, इट इज फर्स्ट यू शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द जीरो. एंड आई लव दैट because you are like a raw person. You can do anything or whatever. You can explore, you can find yourself, because this particular profession is discovering yourself, nothing else. To experience and to discover and to experience again to discover, again to experience. It's like that. So that's why the trainings are very, very focused on camera and the attitude which she's talking about, because you have to know that. I think that was the great, you as a casting director, me as, I think coming together makes a lot of difference, because people also don't understand that what is needed, why training is important.
Why training is
that
important.
The
Yeah,
fact
I
you are
always-
saying
yeah.
makes it different. लोगों को लगता है कि भाई शक्ल सूरत है, जिम जा रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या है, सब.
मैं सुंदर दिखता हूँ, क्यों
हाँ.
मुझे किसी की
You
चीज की
know,
जरूरत है, मुझे acting
Today,
की-
I think Tia's idea was very great. I mean, we connect very well. you will understand because she faces the same problem. She so many times told me कि ma'am, you know ये परेशानी है. मैंने कहा coming from you will make a lot of you know.
That's why I always do
sense.
these live sessions because
Yeah.
you know what, I always get a lot of queries. I think
Any queries?
मुझे we get I think can we just go ahead with the queries like
Yeah.
what are
Ma'am, people wants to know if you have some kind of training, coaching classes.
Yes, we have, and till now I was doing online, but now we are going offline from March or mid-March. Okay.
But we are still, I think you are still on this month also. You are
Yeah.
February month.
Uh-huh.
We have like small workshops also for a month.
Month.
And I think you are going for a February month that online only, right? From March onwards, you are going offline.
Yeah, we haven't yet decided. We are talking
Because
about
it's about coronavirus
Yeah.
thing. If it is
So that's
more,
right.
then it is going to be.
Yeah,
she's
because
going to
now
continue,
we would have started right away, but now that the cases are raising in
Yeah.
Maharashtra, we are just waiting for them to answer that. Otherwise, we are going offline in March, if you know, inshallah, sab kuch theek rahe. So then we are going to have a 3 months
No, but
intensive
there
course.
are queries also because you know people
Workshop ke
from
liye small.
Kerala, people
Okay.
from
For that we are
from,
going. We are
yeah.
continuing with the online. one.
online.
Yeah.
So
We are
this is we
continuing
need to
with-
be very clear that she is doing online, but she is
Yes.
also doing offline because
Offline.
some people they are requested her that she
Yeah.
can take it offline also.
So I'm taking online. वो भी चालू रहेगा, and offline when we go, which we are planning in a big way because there are loads of queries from Bombay itself. They want to come and do things, so we are going to do offline.
No, but then I have
also.
got so many queries about
online,
also.
So we'll
yes.
do the online. It's always in the
And
thing.
it's safer right
Yeah,
now. So,
right
yeah,
now.
need
So
to
we
be
are not
safe.
going to focus on both of them. That's
So offline, if it is there, then how can we get in touch with you?
then they have to send their
We are
email.
making a brochure like
Yeah.
she's going to send me
Hmm.
or and we are going to put it in our
TCC.
TCC website. We are going to put in my Instagram and we are going to put in the Facebook.
Yeah.
Both in my Facebook and her
And they have to
Facebook.
email it. See,
Yeah,
we are
she
very
will.
particular about it because इससे पता चलता है कि how seeking you are, how interested you are. So that's why we always insist, don't call, send us an email with your details, what you're looking at it, and then we will answer you back when it happens. Plus online will be already be there in some days. So online we have joined कर सकते
You have
हो,
just
कर
completed
दो।
your batch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, she has just completed the batch. So
We have completed the batch and we are waiting for this whole lockdown situation to sort of go to, because I'm not sure that they might again call for a lockdown. People are
yeah,
saying
I heard that from some places like
Places,
Satara
yeah.
and all that. So
they're callful. And so the online will, once that, if that doesn't happen, then our batch, which is already graduated, they're going to put up something, a demonstration and everything, and then we're going to start the offline simultaneously with the online.
So where you know that the things are, which we are going to put the things what you're going to
Yeah.
teach,
That's all
right?
in the brochure.
So
which you're
yeah,
going
the
to do.
brochure is going to be. We have the proper brochures, so you can just see that brochure, and if you have any queries, she's always there to answer.
So जो लोग भी interested हैं, they can send
Yes.
their
Email.
numbers
Yes,
and
yes,
Email,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
They should send their numbers also to us.
To
And
us.
She has
they
a
should
team,
also send.
and she will call back.
We'll
you
call
know,
back.
Yeah.
And there is one question from an actor who is asking. First of all, he is saying huge admirer of your craft and acting.
Thank you.
Ma'am, any pro tips of memorizing the dialogues and not go blank?
See, the point is when we talk in terms of memorizing a line, I have a different workshop on that which is focusing on learning the lines, because what is it that you need to strengthen? As an actor, your sensory glands have to be active. Memorizing the line has 2 or 3 things. One is through the sensory glands, that is visual, really smell, sense, using those. That means your memory has to be worked upon. Okay. The second thing is how to remember that. So there are various exercises on that. So if you join our online thing or offline thing, we will definitely teach you that. Because I take
That
a
is one of the
workshop and
subjects
that,
that there in
yeah, because I don't want to give you a tip. There's no tip like that. You know, it's not fair. Because I don't like to give halfway things. If I train somebody, I give them everything. So for a 5 days workshop, we have it on Learning the Lines, wherein you get to know how to develop it and how to do it. I've done it before and they have come, but you have to practice it. You have to consciously work on that.
Thank you, ma'am. There is one more question. Somebody is asking how to overcome anxiety before shoot and before the audition.
Breathe, breathe, breathe. Stop smoking too much cigarette, joints and stuff like that.
They think that.
But breathe. Work on your breathing. That's the best thing to do. That's the best thing. You know, everybody, I still feel anxious. It's not that I don't feel it. Because the more you grow experience, the more it comes to you, you hold a lot of responsibility, particularly on stage, because it's live audience, there's no retakes. And I remember I have a habit, I would, sort of rub my hand on the floor because it will get, and then just breathe. Breathing is the best thing to do. So there are techniques for that, but I'm not going to give away everything.
Okay, yes.
One question for both of you. Do we really need to have a high fan rating on social media or get an agent for work these days?
Okay, I'm going to say this right on social media, Tia.
Social
I
media.
think this is very, very ridiculous.
This is
what I-
right because there is something now.
They
like,
are
they
follower.
they're the followers
Yeah.
and they do little stupid things and they think that they're going to they're going to increase the follows. So you will get 1 work, 2 work,
After that, no work.
no work.
Because
People
the
will
followers
actually,
are also bought by people. I came to know
No, but
that.
I've seen good
that
actors doing stupid videos because अभी एक video आया हुआ है बहुत viral हो रहा है and that girl was just doing for her fun. Okay, ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा कार है और यहाँ पे party हो रही है.
Pauri ho raha.
Okay, there is like this video was so, and she actually went to say this. You know what? I was just like making fun. And I was just
She had
having
no
fun,
idea,
and she doesn't have that idea कि वो इतनी famous हो जाएगी. So
हो
people think that they will do some stupid thing.
I
and
think it's not the person who's doing it.
yeah.
At times does it for a certain friends probably as you put up something. Now it also depends on us that how we are going to react to that. If we react so stupidly and say that this is what wrong.
Guys, I don't have followers.
I don't have any
That
followers.
doesn't
मेरा
mean
तो है
I'm
भी
not
नहीं Insta-
working.
yeah, it's
No, but
fine.
then it's not that I'm not working.
I saw this one of my co-actress friends, she has put it up that day saying that how many Instagram followers you have, based on that you are evaluated for, as an artist. If people are doing that, I'm sorry. I find it's a very pitiful
Being a casting
situation.
person, it's not.
I don't think the really, really solid casting people or the people who've been in this
No, we see
industry
acting.
for
We see acting.
all these years, they don't go for these things.
Exactly.
I'm very sure about it.
I know few directors. They tell me, okay, Tia, she doesn't know acting, man. She has a lot of followers. She doesn't know acting. Come on.
The point
How will
is,
you
why
just
take somebody who has followers on the basis of how many followers you have?
Yeah.
It is ridiculous. I think this
That's
is
not
like,
true.
and
Whoever
this is
is-
not the
and-
reason one
Yeah, and
should be
she
using
said,
this.
right, that a common person can become an actor. 75%. So anyone can become an actor. It's not that you need to have a followers. You
कोई
just
भी
need to
चीज
work
के
on
लिए-
you.
ये आसान तरीका नहीं
Followers,
है.
नहीं, मैंने यहाँ तक सुना है कि लोगों ने मुझसे आके बोला, मैम, if I'll pay 1 lakh rupees to Instagram will give me 1 lakh followers. I said, are you sure?
Yeah, exactly.
Instagram is where you can show your talent, you can put your talent. लोग खुद ही आएंगे आपको देखने के लिए. And trust me, जिनके मैंने 1 million followers देखे हैं, लेकिन उसका मैंने ये भी देखा है कि उसके जो likes होते हैं वो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल 50 लाइक्स होते हैं. तो ये मत सोचो कि कास्टिंग से कुछ छिपा है. हम लोग ये एक
अच्छी तरह
टीम
जानते हैं.
होती है जो ये
इसको
देखती
पता
है
है.
कि ये फेक है कि
Yes, सही.
नॉन फेक है, ब्लू टिक फेक है नहीं. ये सब चीजें होता है. सो इट्स प्लीज डोंट डू दिस.
Also, another thing, you know, as an artist, I respect myself and I respect the work.
End of the
Okay,
day,
and I will feel terrible if somebody is taking me because I have a lot of followers. Like when I was young, if somebody had taken me because I would sit and chat with that person or have a drink with him, and that's why I'm selected for the work. लानत है मुझ पे यार अगर इसलिए काम मिला है.
exactly.
काम इसलिए दो क्योंकि काम मैं जैसे करती हूँ और कोई नहीं कर सकता. That is what one should have. That's the right attitude.
Right attitude. Arrogant and right attitude.
Arrogant difference
There's a
होती है.
thin line.
Thin line. You have to know.
You need to know about this. Sapna, next question. Come on.
So there is one question where somebody is asking, was there a time when on stage or on camera you had a bad day but you performed anyway?
Of course.
For an actor, it's
So
That's
how did you get through it?
That's my job. I have to get through it. You know, the show must go on. That's the first thing. I remember when I first went up on stage and I went for the rehearsal. उन जमाने में कुछ प्लेस में प्रॉम्प्टिंग होता था. हम छोटे जब थे तब देखा था तो मैंने कहा यहाँ प्रॉम्प्टर. उसने कहा कि नो. सो ऐसे कैसे याद रखेंगे. उन्होंने कहा पीपल आर. उन जमाने में 100 रुपया का टिकट वॉज द हाईएस्ट. ओके, तो उन्होंने कहा कि 100 रुपया पे करके तुम्हें देखने आया है. यू हैव नो राइट टू स्क्रू इट. As simple as that.
exactly.
So that's how things were taken.
There is one more actor, श्रीदेवी. उसके उनके पापा की डेथ हो गई थी. उनको सेट पे पता चला था. She just quiet for 1 minute. Next moment, उन्होंने एक लम्हे का जो सबसे कॉमेडी वाला था. It's a humorous thing. She has done.
I've seen my father, who was for a long time who worked on stage. My uncle passed away, and he was the youngest uncle in the family. Wonderful guy. He was only 29 when he got passed. 29,
Sorry to hear that.
27, passed away. He finished the show and then he went to the funeral. These are like, it's not.
Show must
I'll tell
go
you one
on.
thing. There is umpteenth number of instances which I can give. So we are not doing something big, unusual. That's part of our life. I remember when I was performing in Mexico, I got hurt. I didn't realize. And when I went from Mexico, we had a show in Cartagena. We went to Cartagena and I could not breathe. I could not breathe. Whole night I was sitting like that. To that extent, they had to bring a team of doctors, injection, and all these things happened. And they put, for the first time I saw on a stage, they used to have this oxygen thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that was in Bogota, Mexico, everywhere. It was in Bogota, not in Cartagena, right? So I would go out, take that, come back, and did it. That's it, and it was fine. You know, it's all. They got me a belt and everything, and it's okay. Mine is nothing. There are much more, huge experiences people have gone through and done that.
Alright. So I think it's
No more question, right?
We have a lot of questions, but this live is set up for just 1 hour.
I can take one more if there's.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this question is, आज के टाइम पे एक्टिंग में आने के लिए क्या एक एक्टर को इंग्लिश भी बोलना बहुत
नहीं.
इम्पोर्टेंट है?
प्लीज मत बोलिए. अगर आपको हिंदी अच्छे से, आपको एक लैंग्वेज अच्छे से आता है ना,
वो काफी है.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
हाँ, और ये ना कब के ब्रिटिशर्स छोड़ के चले गए हैं, वो उनके गोरों के भूत हम पर अभी भी सवार है. मतलब कोई आपको हिंदी में गाली देंगे, आप तो बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएंगे, और वही चीज अंग्रेजी में बोलेंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. मैंने देखा है ये चीज. आई डू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, बट
That is
It's
the
it's
main,
like
yeah.
requirement, and I've done it. That's about it.
For an actor, it's very important. to
आप
speak in
विदेश
Hindi.
में जाइए, आप फ्रेंच लोग ज्यादा अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलते हैं. चाइना में
They don't even speak actually.
बहुत कम है.
Germany,
Germany,
हाँ, German people.
German people now they have started speaking in English. That's it. But
English.
एक जमाने में वो बोलते
वो
ही
भी
नहीं
क्यों?
थे.
क्योंकि अगर उन्हें कहीं बाहर कंट्री जाना पड़ता है तो अगर वो
इसीलिए.
काम करेंगे that's why they're learning.
That's why they're learning. I'm telling you. You know, ये हमारे देश में है कि अगर अंग्रेजी नहीं आता है तो आपको कुछ नहीं आती है.
Exactly, no.
You don't
It's
have
not-
to suffer from that kind of complexes. अपने भाषा जो है वो आप ढंग से बोलिए ना, वही काम पे आएगा.
Sapna, if we have a lot of questions which is very important to answer this live because we have Surupa ma'am,
Yeah.
we need to ask them.
We need to restart then because Instagram doesn't allow after 1 hour.
Okay, I think then we can wrap it up.
All
In a
right.
very,
We can come
like,
again and
we
then
can
we
come
can
again.
carry
We can
on.
talk. So guys, it's like it's time now, and I really thank Surupa ma'am. that
Thank you
you
for
have
calling
come
me.
here.
It's been lovely.
They can
And
share
you
their
have
phone numbers
such-
if they want to ask for the courses and all. ये भी बता दो.
Yeah. So guys, you can, as I said, that we are going to post the brochure where the numbers is going to be there. You can call or you can leave me a message. I think whoever, like, you can message me or email me or
Email is more
WhatsApp.
important.
Yeah, WhatsApp
Email.
messages. I always get lot of
Yeah.
WhatsApp messages.
But
I
if
always
they
get
want to
this
join-
Instagram messages.
What if they want to join the course? It's better they send us email.
Yeah, send us
Because then
email
we will be able
or
to-
Instagram. Some people they are not very comfortable in email, so either you can Instagram. There is a messenger, or Facebook. There is a messenger. You can
Use that.
you can message me your number and we will call you back.
Thank you. I hope
Thank
I've
you
been
so
able
much,
to
guys, and
answer
of
the
course I'm going to
questions.
see you next week again. And I love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.